Hi, my name is Daniel Penley. As a top 1% producer in the industry, I understand the value of selling your home to a qualified buyer in today's market for the highest price in the quickest, most convenient timeline for you and your family. Now, understanding the problem of selling your own home to a direct buyer is 95% of the solution. For sale by owners, also known as direct sellers, have a very good reason for selling their own home to a direct buyer. However, here's the problem. What do you think the most important thing to the buyer is about buying your home directly from you? The most important reason is apparently to save the commission, which is the same commission you hope to save. You do all the work, take all the risk, pay all the advertising, and who gets the deal? The buyer. I'm sure that this was not your initial intention, as most people don't understand that direct buyers who purchase from direct sellers rather than be represented by a licensed real estate agency are looking for a deal. In other words, they're looking to buy a home for less than current market value, typically, or at least to save the commission. Now, let's think about it. Anytime someone buys direct, they hope to save at least the commission or just get a deal. However, anytime someone buys from a dealer or a retail store, we expect to pay a fair price for the convenience and security of dealing through a licensed real estate or a business of some sort, right? An important fact to note is that homeowners that are selling their home through the professional services of a licensed real estate agency save over an average of 12.5%, thus netting a higher value and quicker sale with the convenience and security of a professional. By having a professional represent you, you will avoid unqualified strangers from wandering through your home. As a real estate professional, I can assure you the highest quality and the quickest, most convenient timeline, as I only work with qualified buyers and affiliates who assist me in helping you to get your home sold for the highest price in today's market. You will save time, energy, money, not to mention the peace of mind not to have to do it yourself. Trusting a professional in the top 1% who is in the top 1% is vitally important to you and your success and your family's safety. I look forward to working with you and following a step-by-step process of how to serve you, as there are many reasons why you should select a real estate professional to sell your home. Now, as you know, understanding the problem is part of the solution. So you have two important decisions to make. First, which real estate professional you will choose to represent you. And second, determine with that real estate professional the highest price you can actually sell your property for in today's market. I assure you, there is no one more professional and determined to help you and your family with all your real estate needs and goals.